If you look up and see a cloud, it could weigh like hundreds of thousands of kilograms, and yet it does not come crashing down upon your skull because the water droplets fall very slowly. In fact, they get tossed up on the wind like tiny little feathers. Clouds are mainly formed with liquid water, which is heavier than air, yes, but it floats because of how the water is dispersed. If you can make teeny, tiny little water droplets, they can float just like tiny, fluffy feathers. But how does the water get that high up in the first place? Well, water is mainly hydrogen and oxygen, you know that, H2O. And while the air is made mostly of nitrogen and oxygen, that nitrogen is heavier than hydrogen. So when water evaporates, it is a gas. And that gas is less dense than air. Once it gets up into the atmosphere, it cools down, it condenses into water droplets. So as long as the droplets are small enough and dispersed, you end up with a big, beautiful, fluffy cloud. Is it heavy enough to kill you? Yeah, if it were all squished together, but it's not. It's floating up there in the sky.